Are you looking for a compact yet powerful deep fryer to satisfy your cravings for crispy, golden brown delicacies? This Elite Gourmet 800-watt 1.6 quart deep fryer could be your perfect kitchen companion. With its sleek stainless steel design, user-friendly features, and efficient frying capabilities, this deep fryer is a versatile tool for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're whipping up French fries, chicken wings, or tempura, this appliance promises to deliver excellent results every time. Let's dive into a detailed review of this compact kitchen marvel. Imagine enjoying restaurant-quality fried foods right in your own kitchen, all without taking up too much counter space. The Elite Gourmet 1.6 quart deep fryer offers just that. Its small footprint doesn't compromise on performance, making it an ideal choice for both small kitchens and large meals. Read on to learn why this deep fryer might be the next best addition to your kitchen. The Elite Gourmet deep fryer boasts a brushed stainless steel exterior, giving it a modern and stylish look that complements any kitchen decor. Its compact dimensions, 8 by 10 by 8.4 inches, make it easy to store even in kitchens with limited space. Despite its small size, the fryer can cook up to 4.5 pounds of food in one go, making it perfect for small families or individuals who love to entertain. The design also includes practical features like a vented cool touch lid with a viewing window. This allows you to monitor your food as it cooks without opening the lid, reducing the risk of oil splatters. The lid also has a replaceable odor filter to minimize unwanted grease and oil odors, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh even after frying. At the heart of the Elite Gourmet deep fryer is its 800-watt heating element, which heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process. The adjustable thermostat knob allows you to set the temperature up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to fry a wide range of foods to perfection. Whether you're cooking French fries, fried zucchini, or buffalo wings, this fryer ensures a crispy, delicious finish every time. The fryer's 1.6 quart oil capacity may seem small, but it's perfectly adequate for frying up to 4.5 pounds of food. This makes it a great choice for small batches, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly without overcrowding the basket. Plus, the fryer's compact size means it uses less oil, making it more economical and easier to clean up afterward. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet deep fryer is its ease of use. The fryer comes with separate power and ready indicator lights, so you always know when the oil has reached the desired temperature and is ready for frying. The fry basket is equipped with a resting hook, allowing you to drain excess oil from your food before serving, which helps to keep your dishes light and crispy. Cleaning up after frying can often be a daunting task, but not with this fryer. The nonstick inner container is fully immersible, making it easy to clean. The fry basket, lid, and oil pan are all dishwasher-safe, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Additionally, the heating element is removable, allowing for easy access when it's time to clean the fryer thoroughly. Safety is a crucial factor when using any deep fryer, and the Elite Gourmet deep fryer includes several features to ensure you can cook with confidence. The cool touch handles on the fryer and lid prevent burns and make it easy to handle the fryer even when it's hot. The vented lid not only reduces the risk of oil splatters, but also prevents pressure buildup inside the fryer. The fryer's compact design also means it takes up less space on your countertop, reducing the risk of accidental spills or tipping. Additionally, the replaceable odor filter in the lid helps keep your kitchen environment pleasant by reducing the smell of frying oil. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and stylish. Design: the small footprint and stainless steel exterior make it a sleek addition to any kitchen. Efficient heating: the 800-watt heating element heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures. Easy to clean: dishwasher-safe components and a removable heating element make cleanup a breeze. User-friendly: features like power and ready indicator lights, adjustable temperature control, and a viewing window make it easy to use. Safety features: cool touch handles and a vented lid with an odor filter enhance safety and convenience. Cons: limited capacity: the 1.6 quart oil capacity may be insufficient for larger families or those who cook in large batches. Basic features: lacks advanced features like digital controls or preset cooking functions. Final verdict: a compact powerhouse for your kitchen. The Elite Gourmet 800-watt 1.6 quart deep fryer is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use deep fryer. Its combination of performance, user-friendly features, and safety measures makes it an excellent addition to any kitchen, especially for those with limited space. While its capacity may be small, it's more than capable of delivering crispy, delicious fried foods for small families or intimate gatherings. Whether you're frying up a batch of French fries for movie night or preparing crispy onion rings for a weekend barbecue, this fryer will help you achieve professional quality results without the hassle of a larger appliance. Its sleek design, ease of use, and efficient performance make it a worthy investment for any home cook. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.